Okay, here's a quick look at what we need to do for sheet 2, the second African masks sheet. Now this sheet is just looking at some more African mask designs, getting us used to drawing African mask designs, and also at the Adrinka symbols. So there's two tasks. It says complete tasks 1 and 2. The first task is it's an African mask, generally symmetrical. Use the images below to complete the 4 mask designs. So what you basically have to do is just start to sketch the shapes of the mask designs and draw the other half, the mirror image of this mask. Once you've done that, it says try to add the earth tone colours with coloured pencils. Now if you remember, we looked at the earth tone colour palette on the last sheet, the browns, the reds, the yellows, and once we've finished drawing these we can colour them in. So let's have a look at a sheet that I've been working on, and we can see here that 2 of these I've completed the second half. I've actually gone over them with a fine liner. I would say draw them with draw them with pencil and then go over them with a fine liner if you have one, or a pen. And then I've added the colours in the earth tone palette that we've used, that is on the sheets on the table. Task 2 is look at the Adrinka symbols below, select some of these symbols and use them to decorate the items below. Try to personalise them or use the symbols to tell a story. Then use coloured pencils or watercolours to complete the decoration. So I've picked 3 different symbols. You could pick a succession of symbols and tell a story. I've used 3 different colours, again using these with the challenge task. It says try to think about the colour you choose. Try to use the colours that are similar to the other African masks and patterns. And as I say, the sheet you have on your table with the African masks mood board gives you that range of colours. Choose these colours, colour the board in. If you can see these, each of these, for example, this symbol here, each of these has a meaning. If you can see this symbol here that I put on here is good fortune. So you could actually tell a story with the symbols. So these 2 symbols on the shoe are freedom and good fortune, so they're kind of relevant to the shoe. So put your symbols on, colour the items in using the coloured pencils, using the colour palette that we've been using for this project. And that basically is the African masks sheet 2 completed.